Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Dean Callan Show. Today we're going to be learning about a cocktail from Luca Missaglia. Luca Missaglia is the global brand ambassador for Italicus Cup. His cocktail has it in it, and to me, this cocktail is worth watching. I don't care what you think. Learn the drink, because to me, this is a new modern classic. In the same way that you would stock Drambuie for the rusty nail, you will stock Italicus for this cocktail, because people deserve to be able to drink this cocktail anywhere they go in the world. Take it over from here, Luca. Okay, let me start stirring the air and get it warmed up.
Like we didn't need for.
What was it you wanted me to do, Luca? Oh, what was it? Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to make a drink. I don't know what it is. I'm going to take direction from this guy, Luca, the one and only Missaglia, who is the galactic brand ambassador.
Wow.
I say galactic because if you're in
Nobody
this
ever
galaxy
said that
and
to me.
You're drinking this, you probably know about this guy. Brand ambassador for Italicus. Or Italicus?
Italicus, it sounds really good.
Italicus.
But let's go down to the chase. Let's make the drink, right?
Yeah, oh, well, I'm going to make the drink. You're going to tell me how to do it.
so nice and simple.
Watch Dean be told what to
Making cocktail is about sharing. Is that correct, Dean?
Yeah, it's about
So
sharing,
let's start with Italicus. We're gonna make in our pitcher for 3 portions. So take the bottle of Italicus and let's make like 150 ml into the jar.
Okay.
Yeah?
150 mils of Italicus?
Yeah.
We don't need the ice yet at this
We're
stage.
gonna put it at last.
We're going to do that last. Okay.
So we have just over here,
But you go with the 60s.
but then we're gonna be
150
generous
is
because
2
Italicus is never
2.5.
enough.
Okay. So, yeah, let's be generous. Do more than what we
Fantasticus.
said we would.
That's what I would say.
Considerably more. Boom. What's next? What's next?
Next ingredient is the grapefruit juice, pink, nice and fresh with a little touch of bitterness. So we got same equal part.
Taste this drink. So
150.
Same amount.
Same amount.
Still gonna.
Simple and easy.
Gonna be equally generous.
Yes. That is all about. Be generous. Correct?
Am I being generous? Oh.
Beautiful. A little bit more. It's not gonna kill anyone.
Last time you said 50.
Yes.
Right.
Then we jump into the soda. We don't need to measure it, I think. We can just go as we feel. A little dash for each of them. So just count till 6 and you're done with it.
Count 6.
Why? Why? A little bit more. Why?
1 Mississippi, 1 Mississippi, 1 Mississippi, 1
Close the
Mississippi,
concert.
1 Mississippi, 1 Mississippi.
Perfect. Fantasticus. Now let's taste it, no? If you need a spoon, I got it over here for you.
Sorry, Eric.
Have a quick taste and tell me how it tastes like. Nice. I can smell the aroma around, no? Don't you? Is it fresh, bitter, a little bit floral? You can feel the bergamot coming through?
It tastes like happiness, and it sounds like a wonderful world.
So let's
By
cool
Louis
it down a
Armstrong.
little bit, no? And then I will put something, I will put the 3 glasses ready for you.
It tastes really good.
That sounds
That
super.
tastes so good. All right, hold on.
Et voila.
Let me get this cold on before it starts coming out. See if it doesn't drop. Well,
Nice.
ahead of time. Get a thick one in there. To get
Super.
as much cold as you possibly
I
can.
love those nice big block of ice. Keep it cold,
Yeah.
not much dilution.
Let's hope it doesn't splash too much. Okay, get one of these in here. So why are we making 3?
The reason why, because it's all about sharing.
Oh,
You know, we need to share as much as we can. Is that correct?
yep.
You know,
Totally.
it's not like we're not gonna have the drink by ourselves. In our case, we like to share. And this is a really nice concept cocktail that we can just share it all together. Yeah.
Let's get buck wild with this.
Et
one.
voila. Fantasticus. You're missing the last one and we're almost done. We're almost there.
We're almost there. You've got to
It's
speed
all
it up.
about-
People are waiting. People are watching. People have stopped watching this. You know what? If there's anyone watching this, you might be the only one No one watches something more than 10 seconds.
Mm.
They don't have 10 seconds in their life because they're busy going on to the next 9-second thing.
Actually, you're right. We need to be a little bit faster. Is that correct? If
Yeah.
you are not fast enough, just follow the next video and we're gonna go a fast speed competition about sharing cocktail with Italicus. Right, now we have a beautiful grapefruit.
Garnish,
Let's
quick,
grab, no,
quick.
no.
Oh,
First
we're
of
gonna
all,
do
salt,
pepper.
come on. Salt
Quick.
is over there. Take the salt for you,
Oh,
I garnish.
salt.
Look
Shit.
at this,
Quick,
tack.
on the thing.
Dip
Quick,
it in.
Quick,
It's
go
done.
fast. The 10-second span. Quick with the...
That's
attention
it.
to detail. Attention to detail.
That's
detail.
it.
Fuck detail.
We
Quick.
do need a bit of saltiness in our
Quick,
life.
Quick, salty.
Now,
Come
please,
on.
feel
Yeah.
free.
Let's do it,
Salute.
let's do it.
Cheers.
Salute,
Thank you very
salute.
much. I hope
Yeah,
we didn't bore
sorry,
anyone.
took so
Thank
long.
you.
Salute,
Salute. Salute.
Fuck, that's good.
Oh my god. But actually, fucking, we should do another whole take. Do you have more grapefruit?
Was that awesome?
So we have to use this.
Stop rolling. Kill audio.
So we are shit.